Hi everybody, my name is Miss Rene and I'm a children's guide with the Anythink Library District, and I work at the Anythink Huron Street branch, which is where I'm recording this video right now. I am so excited to be back in the branch with you today. As you've noticed throughout the summer, various guides have been talking about different activities that you can do to bring learning for your littles at home using items from your house. And I'm going to do a little bit of that today, and the items that I'm going to be using are blankets, towels, sheets. Anything that I'm going to talk about today, you can use any of those items for. And the first thing you could do is turn your blanket into a playmat. And what I used was just a plain blanket or a towel and a roll of tape. Kids love tape. Let them help you break off pieces of tape and then create different letters. Help them construct those letters the best that they can. Talk about their sounds. Talk about what they're doing. Talk about what other words can we use using this sound. At, cat, sat, bat, hat. It's a good way to increase vocabulary. Or what you can do is you can create a Tic Tac Toe board or various boxes so you can do patterns and use different objects. This doesn't have to be X's and O's. It could be red socks and black socks, or white socks and red socks. Spoons, forks. Just find various things around your house that you can use on your new playmat. And on the other side, we use some thicker tape, some duct tape, to make roads, to construct a map of our own town. And then if you have cars or different toys at home, you can use them to drive around in your town. Discuss what you can find in a town. What is a town? What kind of things are there? The next fun thing we can do is if your child has some favorite toys, bring several of them out. Count together. How many do you have? What kind of toys are they? What do you use them for? Cover them up with the blanket. Have them turn around and sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Old MacDonald Had a Farm. And as they're doing that, remove one of the items from underneath the blanket. Have them turn around, remove the blanket, and see if they can determine what's been missing. This one's really fun. And you can just make it as big and elaborate as you want or as basic as you want it. And of course, your kids love doing what you do. And if you like to read as you're going to sleep, why don't you get a pillow, get a blanket, grab your child's favorite book, cuddle up, and let them read the book to you. Doesn't matter if they don't know the words to it or if they do. Just let them have that moment to pretend they can be the adult. It's fun for you, and it's a good bonding experience as well. I hope that some of these ideas you find interesting and help spark some different ideas that you might be able to use your blankets and sheets and towels for. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great summer, a safe summer, and I look forward to seeing you in the library again really soon.